Sometimes Japanese studios stray away from popular notions and create original anime, as known as shows that have no manga. So in today's video, we are going to take a look at 10 animes that do not originate from a manga. Most casual fans may not know this, but the vast majority of animes that they see being adapted on the screen actually originates from a manga or a light novel. Manga are Japanese comics that are always published in black and white. Light novels are basically books which are also published in Japanese. Both are extremely popular among Japanese fans. Often popular manga are the ones that get adapted into animes. However, sometimes Japanese studios stray away from popular notions and create original anime, as known as shows with no manga. So without any further ado, let's start with our video about top 10 animes that do not originate from a manga.
いつかきっと見せてあげるね。お父さん。
あと何千回だって。そう呼ばれたかった。
On the 10th number, the anime name is Violet Evergarden. Violet is a teenage girl, an orphan trained from her childhood to be a child soldier, always treated as an expendable weapon. Violet has never known what kindness and love are. After the war ends, she finds herself working at a CH postal service. Here, she decides to work at an auto memory doll. Violet finally can make new friends, help people find the words to express themselves, and is also able to get into touch with her emotions.
Multiple burnish signals detected behind the smoke. They're converging, making them even stronger.
On the 9th number, the anime name is Promare. In Promepolis, which is set in an alternate reality, its citizens are terrorized by a group of terrorists who call themselves the Mad Burnish. Gallothymus is a part of a burning rescue squad who only aims to capture as many as terrorists as possible. One day, Gallo can capture the leader of the Mad Burnish group, Leo Fortia, and that begins a journey of discovering a side of truth that he has never known before. On the 8th number, the anime name is Cowboy Bebop. Set a few decades in the future, this sci-fi action anime occurs in a world where the earth is uninhabitable. Cowboys are bounty hunters who sometimes evade the law and sometimes help it to survive. Aboard the Bebop spaceship is the carefree Spike Spiegel and his older partner Jet Black. Their space travel always lands them in some trouble or another, and sometimes results in the boarding of some very troublesome passengers as well.
いらっしゃいませ。クイーンデキムへようこそ。
On the 7th number, the anime name is Death Parade. When people die, their soul goes to a concrete bar named Queen Dekim. Their actions there decides where they will be reincarnated or be sent to a void. Forced to play games where they literally bet their lives on the outcome, people often bring out the worst in themselves. Observing everything quietly are Dekim and his group of supernatural friends. Every action, reaction of each soul is judged, and then he gives his final verdict. The Empire of Britannia rule over Japan, treating the natives as second-class citizens in their own nation. Young Leolch lords the Britannian Empire and promises his friend Suzaku that he would find a way to obliterate the empire. Help comes in form of supernatural ability called Geese, which helps Leolch to make people do anything he wishes. So he dons the identity of vigilant named Zero and vows Japan independence from the clutches of the Britannian Empire. On the 5th number, the anime name is Madoka Magica. Madoka Kamane had a terrible dream, which she instantly dismisses as she wakes up. However, when she sees the girl from her dream, Homura, in her high school and receives a mysterious warning from her, she becomes worried. Then appears a supernatural creature that introduces them as the world of magical girls, where the girls can become magical girls themselves. But there is a catch. They must fight and kill all witches that harms the human world.
衰え始めた人間なんていらないんだよ。
これ以上足手まといにはなりたくねえんだよ。
その程度だったんですか。あなたのヒーローに対する思いは。
そろそろ別の道を進むのも悪くねえんじゃねえのか。
On the fourth number, the anime name is Tiger and Bunny. In an alternate reality, in a city named Sternbild City, superheroes are as normal as regular humans, called Next. These heroes often make appearance on TV to boost their rankings in the world of superheroes. The old but carefree Kotetsu Kaburagi is paired with the younger but very serious Barnaby Brooks Jr. Their sponsors force them to work together to earn better rankings. But the question is, can that duo make their pairing last?
じゃあ何をされても文句はねえよな。
On the third number, the anime name is Durarara. Tokyo's district of Ikebukuro might seem calm and peaceful on the surface, but there's a war brewing beneath that very surface. For starters, literal gangs war are happening, which also involves teenage boys in them. Then there are rumors of the headless Black Shadow that has been seen riding a bike. Of course, none of this world would be possible without the human existence with supernatural strength and the inability to feel any pain. So what exactly is this city? You will need to watch this anime to know more.
君は
ことです。
なんで人型に。
愛です。
愛
愛
愛ちょっ
On the second number, the anime name is Kyoso Giga. Mew had the ability to bring his drawings to life, which caused his family a lot of trouble. They escaped to one of his own worlds, called Looking Glass City. One day, his children wakes up to find their parents disappeared off the face of the earth. The arrival of mysterious named girl Koto only adds to their woes, since she insists on meeting the now disappeared Mew and refuses to leave till she meets him.
現れたな我が宿敵よ。
On the first number, the anime name is Aldona Zero. Humanity now lives on two planets, Earth and Mars. There is an uneasy peace alliance between the inhabitants of both the planets. 15 years after the peace treaty was signed, Princess Alicia of Mars was saved from an assassination attempt by Earthling Inao Kaizuka. Since the attempted assassination took place on Earth, the peace treaty between the two worlds is now shattered. It is now upon Inao and the Princess Alicia to stop both planets from destroying each other. So these were the 10 animes which does not originate from the manga. If you have watched any of these 10 animes, then let me know your opinions and reviews about those animes in the comment section down below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings like this one, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories, breakdowns and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.